Alright, here we have a run-of-the-mill Naze32 clone. This is a Ninja 32 from youbuyadrone.com. So you can see that nothing is soldered yet. Just have these pins stuck in there. Have some hot glue holding them in place. Let's get to soldering, shall we? Put this into the device. Gas, get the iron. Let's clean the tip. For this, we're going to use some finer solder. This is, let me see what size this is. This is 15 thousandths solder. Alright, so clean tip, solder, board, pins. Let's go. Rosin Core Solder. Apply heat, a little bit on there to spread heat, and apply your solder. Pin is done. Next one. The trick is to apply heat evenly to both the pin and the pad. And once it's sufficiently heated, the solder will flow. The rosin allows it to flow, and it also cleans the surface. Okay, that one's done. And a little bit more on that. It'll flow. There we go. Okay. I like to work over to the other end, and these two will act as anchors to hold the headers in place. Okay. Solder those in. That one's done. Okay. Solder stick is getting a little bit low here. Piece of solder. Okay, those are all done. Some more solder. And now we just start working down the line. Apply heat, apply a little bit to spread the heat, it flows out and it gets going. See that? No flux required. You see how small the tip is and it's angled? I don't know if you can see that very well in this video. That's important because it limits the amount of heat that get transferred into the part. Just enough is getting in. And the angled conical tip allows me to get right in there and apply heat to both the pad and the pen at the same time. And those all look pretty darn good. Done. No flux required.